Hi, I'm JJ Virgin, celebrity nutrition and fitness expert of jjvirgin.com, and I'm here today to show you how to make a low-carb lettuce wrap. Now, the easiest way to lower carbs is to lose the bread and replace it with lettuce. You're probably used to seeing lettuce wraps at some of the Asian restaurants, but I'm going to show you a couple different things that you can do with them, because really, when you look at a lettuce wrap, it's really all about becoming very creative. You can put almost anything in here. Of course, we're going to stick healthy, right? That's why we're doing low carb in the first place. The best lettuce to use is either to use butter lettuce, this is what I love, or romaine. So these make the best holders, and that's really what we're using the lettuce for. We're also going to get some nutrition from it too. What you want to put in here is always some protein, some clean, lean protein. So today I'm going to use chicken, but you can use chicken, shrimp, grass-fed beef, really anything you have left over in the fridge works great. Then you're going to add in some kind of a healthy fat. Oftentimes this will come in the form of a sauce. So I'm today going to use a little balsamic olive oil and vinaigrette, but also I'm going to use a little avocado and maybe even some walnuts. So think of some healthy fats and some yummy different kinds of sauces you can use. I've also got here some salsa and some Dijon mustard. And again, this is really assembly. So whatever you can think of, you can put in the lettuce wrap. I also love to up the fiber, and some of the easy ways to up the fiber with a lettuce wrap are to add things like garbanzo beans, black beans, quinoa or brown rice, or other types of chopped up vegetables. Let's see, I've got some chopped red pepper today, and I've got some cucumber that I'm going to add into the mix. So that's where I'm going to start. I'm going to grab this, put in a little bit of chicken. One thing you want to make sure is you don't overfill this. Put some garbanzo beans in. Again, this is a great way to up your fiber. I'm adding a little bit of avocado for the healthy fat, a little bit of red pepper. This is an amazing, very high in vitamin C, one of the highest vitamin C foods. Some cucumber, and I'm going to add a walnut in there for some crunch. And then I'm going to put a little bit of a balsamic vinaigrette on top. Just a little bit so it doesn't get too leaky. And again, if you'll notice, I put in some protein, some healthy fat. I used a little bit of a sauce. I put in some extra fiber, and then I'm going to wrap it all up. And this makes a great, simple meal, and it's even portable. You can take this for lunch. So try yours. Put your best combination together. I'm JJ Virgin, and that's how you make a low-carb wrap.